Hey guys, it's Bob with Work Truck and Equipment Talk. I'm standing in front of the Hartford Truck Equipment Building with the newly installed TommyGate G2 model liftgate on my Able tool and equipment truck that I have used for the past 2.5 years for deliveries to my customers of a lot of compaction equipment, pumps, generators, jumping jacks, all sorts of different products that this thing would have been super handy to have installed a couple of years ago, but that's okay. It's on here now, and I'm just going to run through the functions of it and the capabilities of it and how it's going to make whoever's delivering any sort of equipment like that to and from job sites or to customers. It just is a back saver, a lifesaver, something that anybody's got to have on a truck that's delivering equipment. The functions of the liftgate are pretty simple. Over here is how it's operated. There is a power button here, which I can push, double tap the TommyGate to actually activate it. I'm going to shut it off though for now. I'm going to show you how to unlock it before we do the actual function on this thing. Walking around to the other side, first thing you want to do is release this lock, which is tough to do one-handed. But there we go, we got it. So there we have it. That's unlocked. That's going to free this up. This is a safety feature of it when it's in travel. And here's the other side. You lift this up as well. Again, much easier if you got two hands. Drop the gate down. This is an aluminum deck. It comes in 3 styles and a few different lengths. I don't have all the dimensions on the lengths, but this happens to be an aluminum gate. It also comes in steel, or you can get what's called a graded type. So they might be a little bit more fuel efficient. But talking to some other guys in the field that use these regularly, this is the one we decided to go with. It's corrosion resistant and it's a lighter weight than the steel version of it. This is on a Ford F-150, so weight is important. So back to the function buttons here on here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. We're going to push it on, double tap the TommyGate, that activates it right there. Real simple. Push the button down. It's really cold out here in Connecticut right now, so this thing is not the fastest activating because the hydraulic fluid in the pistons is pretty cold right now, so it's not the fastest downward motion, especially when there's no weight on it. But you can see goes right down to the ground and drops down, so you could easily load whatever you need to. It's got a nice angled plate here, so if you're rolling equipment on there, like maybe a little road saw or something like that, super handy. To raise it up, real simple, push the button up. This is the G2 model. Rated lift capacity, as you can see here, rated lift capacity 1,300 pounds, which is quite a bit for this little truck. So that's the TommyGate liftgate, brought to you by Hartford Truck and Equipment. Well, the sun is kind of bright over here, but thank you guys, Blake and your team over here, for putting that thing together. Appreciate it.